Okay, for the second part of the notes, this is worksheet C. We're just going to copy them down. We don't need to print anything out. Worksheet C notes. And this is the second part, part 2. And this was on what? Reference angles? Yeah. Okay, so it's going to ask the directions. Find the reference angle. Part 1, they gave you a graph, right? They drew the angle out for you. Here they're not. So I'm going to go through these really quickly. I'm pretty sure you have an idea, but I just want to make sure that you are doing these correctly. Number 1, if I don't give you a drawing and they just give you an angle and they're asking you to find the reference angle, how would you do it? Okay, so number 1, if I tell you to find the reference angle for a 200-degree angle, how would you do it? Well, you have to be able to visualize it and actually see this. So you're going to have to sketch this out, right? So you're going to have to sketch this out and actually draw a 200-degree angle. So 200 degrees, let's see, here's my X and the Y axis. I know 200 degrees, it'll start here, right? All angles in standard position or start here at 0 degrees here with the positive side of the x-axis. And I need to go, I know all of these are 90 degrees each quadrant, so 0, and this will make this one 90, and this will make this one 180. So I'm already here, and I gotta go more, right? I gotta go up to 200. That's already 180 up to there, so how much more do you need? Well, obviously 20 more, right? 180 plus 20 more degrees. That means that this, all the way up to here, this angle this is your 200 degrees. Okay. I know that this is 20. Make sure you always get the other one. And I know this is a right angle. These are complementary angles, so it adds up to 90. That's 70, right? I got 20 and 70. Which one's your reference angle? Well, again, by definition, your reference angle is the one that is formed by the terminal side and the x-axis. So your reference angle is 20 degrees. Okay, that's the only new thing. You're gonna have to draw it out, and it's not gonna be drawn out for you. Not like the first set of problems there. All right, let's look at number 2. Again, I'm only gonna have 4 quick examples. Here we go. Number 2, what if you need to find the reference angle for negative 280 degrees? Negative 280 degrees. Well, I gotta draw that out. Let's see, let's do a XY axis here. A negative angle, well, a negative angle, all angles, whether positive or negative, they always start here. The initial side, it initiates, it starts there. That's 0 degrees. A negative angle is drawn clockwise. So I'm going to go down this way. That's negative what? Negative 90 up to there. I need to go more. Another 90 is what? Negative 180, right? 90 plus 90. And if I add another 90, I would get up to here, and that would be 90, or 9 times 1. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 270, or negative 27. 9 times 1, 9. 9 times 2, 18. 9 times 3, 27. Or in this case, 90, 180, 270. Oh, and I got to get up to 280, so I got to keep going. That means that my angle is going to be what? How much more do I need? 10 degrees more, a little slice here. That makes this 10 degrees. This angle all the way to here is negative 280, right? That's the angle we're supposed to look at. And it lies in this quadrant, quadrant 1, and it went in 10 degrees here. But if this is 10 degrees, what's the other one, right? Remember, these are complementary always. This makes a corner, adds up to 90. These two angles should add up to 90. If that's 10, that makes this one what? 80. Now, which of those two is your reference angle? Well, the angle that is formed by the terminal side and what? The x-axis. So guess what? 80 is your reference angle. Not the 10. Not this 10. 80 is your answer, your reference angle for negative 280 degrees. Okay, number 3. Negative 580 degrees. Oh. All right. Another negative angle. Well, initial side, all angles in standard position, always start here. That's 0 degrees. Then I'm going to go again clockwise, right? Negative angles are clockwise. Ooh, I know 580 is more than 360, so I'm going to go ahead and just go all the way around once. That's 360. I'm back here at actually negative 360, right? Negative 360 degrees. And if I go 90 more, that'll be negative 450. Nope, need to go more. If I go 90 more, 90 plus 450 is 540. At this point, I'm at negative 540. And I need to keep going, right? I need to reach all the way to 580. So how much more do you need? $540. I need to get to 580. I need what? 40 degrees more. 540 up is up to this line plus 40 more. That makes this. This is my negative 580 degree terminal side here. This acute angle here is 40. That makes this one 50, right? These two add up to 90. Which of those two is your reference angle? Well, the angle that is formed with the terminal side and the x-axis. So 40 degrees is your reference angle. Okay, last one, number 4. I think you got it. Very similar to the first set of problems. Another difficult one, big number here. Let's see, number 4. Oh, not too big. 490. 490, a positive angle. All right, positive angle. We're going to start here. Oh, I didn't have enough space. You know what? Let me use this. Let me do that. Okay, I know that 490 is a positive angle. It starts here. Positive angles are counterclockwise. So this is 0 degrees. And I'm going to just go ahead and go all the way around because that's 360. I need more. I need to go more to get I have to get all the way up to 490. 360 is up to here plus 90 more. 360 plus 90 is that'll make this 450. Right? And if I'm at 450, I need to keep going. How much more? Well, 40 degrees, right? 450 plus 40 more. 450 is up to here plus 40 more. That gives me 490. So this right here represents 490, this terminal side. And like I said, always get these two values here. I know these are complementary. This forms a corner or 90 degrees. If that's 40, well, then this one has to be 50. 50. All right, which of those two is your reference angle? Well, again, by definition, the reference angle is the angle that is formed by the terminal side and the x-axis. This is your reference angle. So 50 degrees is your reference angle. All right, hope that's pretty simple. All right, good job. Finish the assignment. Take care of this. Good luck.